Home Remedies presents
Natural home remedy for varicose veins and poor circulation. Only 2 ingredients. Poor circulation is a common complaint. You may notice it most in your hands and feet. If you are constantly having cold feet and hands, this drink is the right thing for you. It allows better blood circulation in arms and legs. Try a healthy recipe with just 2 ingredients. Say goodbye to cold hands and feet. The experiences are fantastic. How to make a miraculous tea for circulation in less than 15 minutes. And you only need 2 ingredients to prepare it. And those are rosemary and cinnamon. Both foods have many healing properties and will bring you many health benefits. It is the best natural remedy for circulation problems and varicose veins. This healthy drink dilates blood vessels and rapidly improves circulation. If you drink 2 cups of this tea 7 days in a row, the result will not be missed. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of rosemary dried or 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, water half liter, optional, 1 spoon of honey, lemon juice. Procedure: wash and separate the leaves. Boil water and add the leaves and cinnamon stick to it. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the stove and allow it to cool. Once cool, strain the tea in a glass and the remaining store in an airtight jar. You can keep this in the fridge and drink it in the second round. The tea is very pleasant in taste. If you want, you can add honey and lemon as per your liking to it. You can drink it cold or hot. Drink this tea twice a day for 7 days. You will be pleased with the results.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.